Speed it up. This is really happening at this speed, for real. This is what happens when you have 37 mile an hour with light puffy snow coming down. Oh, will Rick make this? Nothing. Look at that. Oh yeah, the front ones are spinning. Rick's helping. Oh, is he gonna make it up? Oh, his wheels are spinning. Uh-oh. That car is not very good on snow. Rick Bull couldn't make it home from the bar last night because he couldn't get up this little hill. So, and with cars all around, he was worried about hitting another car. So now it's not even here. He can. Oh, it's you might need a push up that little hill over there. Come on, Nick. Oh, he got it. He's got it. Oh boy, he's not going. Gotta ram out of there a little bit.
Not a lot of traction there.
Yeah,
I think he needs a push.
I don't know. I think it's...
Oh yeah. He's gonna do it. Yes, that's right.
He did it! Woo! You having fun yet?
Oh yeah.
Again, how many times have you done this winter?
Yeah, 6.
More than that, I think.